Hello guys, I hope you are feeling completely well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. Let's get started. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and comment below your opinion. I will be thankful. Now we are in the book Grammaire en dialogue. We finished first 5 lessons and now we are going through the sixth one. Lesson number 6. This is the grammar part. I will start. Pouvoir. Pouvoir. It is a really important verb in French language because it is an auxiliary. You can use it as an auxiliary verb. Pouvoir means can. Exactly, this is can in French language, and or you can also say to be able. Form affirmative. This is the form affirmative form. Form negative. This is the negative form. You have already seen them in the previous videos, in previous lessons. Je peux, tu peux, il, elle, on peut, po. Just at the end you see the letter T. Po. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, on peut. Nous pouvons. Vous pouvez. Ils peuvent, elles peuvent. Be careful with it. Ils peuvent, elles peuvent. Je peux, tu peux, il peut, elle peut, on peut. Nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils peuvent, elles peuvent. I can, you can, he can, we can, you can, they can. Je ne peux pas, je ne peux pas. You can say je ne peux pas. Je ne peux pas, tu ne peux pas, il ne peut pas, elle ne peut pas, on ne peut pas, nous ne pouvons pas, vous ne pouvez pas, ils ne peuvent pas, elles ne peuvent pas. I cannot, this is the negative form. Si le premier verbe est conjugué, le deuxième est à l'infinitif. It is really easy for you guys. It is written that if the first, C means if the first verb conjugated, if the first verb is conjugated, the second one is at infinitive form. So all the time you conjugate the first verb and you put the other verbs after in infinitive form. It's really easy and you will see in the phrases so many times. Demander, donner la permission, ou au contraire interdire. Demander, ask or demand. Donner la permission. La permission means the permission. Donner la permission means give the permission. So for asking, demanding somebody, for giving the permission, ou or au contraire, in the contrary, interdire whenever you want to uh, interdire means whenever you want to ban somebody from doing something or forbid. Interdire means to forbid. So for asking, giving the permission, or in the contrary, for forbidding, you use pouvoir. Maman, par exemple, maman, est-ce que je peux? Est-ce que je peux? You can pronounce like that. Est-ce que je peux? Aller or aller, because liaison, chez Vincent. So you can pronounce like that. Maman, est-ce que je peux aller chez Vincent? Est-ce que je peux aller chez Vincent? Est-ce que je peux aller chez Vincent? Can I go to Vincent? Chez Vincent means to the Vincent's house. Oui, tu peux aller chez Vincent. Yes, of course, you can go there. You can go to Vincent. Non, tu ne peux pas aller chez Vincent. No, you cannot go to Vincent. So by the first, this is by asking this question, you demand somebody or you want a permission. And by the answer, the first answer, it's an affirmative answer. It's a positive one. It says that okay, yeah, I will give you this permission. So tu peux aller, you can go to Vincent. But the second one is interdire. Tu ne peux pas, you cannot aller chez Vincent, go to Vincent. Nous pouvons entrer. Entrer means to enter. Nous pouvons entrer. Guys, you know, you see that here, this is the first verb, so we conjugate this, but this is the second verb. We put it in the infinitive form. So this is again the first verb conjugated. The second one is infinitive. Nous pouvons entrer ou nous pouvons entrer. Can we enter? Oui, bien sûr. Yes, of course. Vous pouvez entrer. You can enter. Non, vous ne pouvez pas entrer. You cannot enter. C'est interdit. C'est interdit. Liaison here. C'est interdit. C'est interdit. Guys, for example, you go somewhere, you are walking in the street or in a, for example, in a bazaar or in a shopping mall, and there is a room. It is written on the door. C'est interdit. C'est interdit d'entrer means it is forbidden to enter. So c'est interdit. It's forbidden. Demander à quelqu'un de faire quelque chose. This is a really important phrase. Demander à quelqu'un de faire quelque chose. Ask somebody to do something. For asking somebody to do something, you say, for example, tu peux venir avec moi? Tu peux. The first verb conjugated, the second verb infinitive. I told you 1,000 times. Tu peux venir avec moi? Can you come with me? Est-ce que vous pouvez répéter lentement, s'il vous plaît? S'il vous plaît, you know, this is please for formal form. Est-ce que vous pouvez répéter lentement? Guys, I will write for you here with this color is better. Lent, lent, L-E-N-T, lent means slow, and for feminine, lent, lent means slow, feminine form lent. So lent is better to write like that. Lent, this is T, and for feminine, lent. This is slow. It means slow. It's an adjective. Lentement is an adverb. How we made this adverb in French language, we have a lesson that we go through and we will understand how to make adverbs in French language. But now here you see lent, lent as an adjective meaning is slow, and by adding M-O-N-T, this is a suffix. By adding the suffix mont, you can make an adverb lentement, slowly. Est-ce que vous pouvez répéter lentement, s'il vous plaît? Can you repeat slowly, please? Have a good time, guys. Till next video.